pretty girls with the popping curls, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Joy. Make sure you like this video, make sure you comment down below so we can have some interaction, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on those post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Okay, so if y'all just watched the video about how to keep your hair moisturized, this is right after that. Yes, I tried to put my hair in a puff and change my shirt so it wouldn't be boring, you know, so you ain't have to watch me in the same exact outfit again. Why do I have my flashlight on? But anyway, didn't want to leave y'all hanging. Want this video to come right after that so you guys can have something, you know, to go with once you do it. So let's get started. Okay, so first things first, I told you guys that to clarify at least once a month. So my favorite thing to clarify with, I mean, this is the only thing I have clarified with since I clarify my hair, but this I really like it. So my favorite thing to clarify with as a shampoo is this is the Eon Purifying Solutions. It helps eliminate buildup, residue, and dullness from hair, and it is 100% vegan and paraben free. The conditioner that I use with it is their Purify too, and it's the Purify solution. It helps eliminate mineral buildup from hard water and well water. I got the one that says for hard water and well water, not only because I couldn't find, I don't know if it's an actual match to this one that just says for dullness and residue or whatever. I couldn't find that, but also because I've seen a lot of naturals say on YouTube say that like hard water is another thing that keeps our hair like dull or whatever, and so I was like, well, I don't even know if I have hard water. I mean, I don't know. Some people like call in to see and get it tested, but I kind of like haven't done it. I probably should, but I was like, well, let me get this just in case. Okay, so that's that on that. I don't really have a favorite regular conditioner yet. I'm sorry, y'all. It's going out of focus because the sun keeps going in and out. So I'm gonna look over here. I mean, I probably should look over here, but I need to look over here so I can make sure it doesn't be out of focus and have bad quality for y'all. So and y'all know I don't lay my edges because they don't stay laid, and I don't usually wear a puff, but I just did this for this video. I'm gonna pull my hair back down after this because y'all know if I put my hair in a puff, I get lazy and I will skip wash day. And I don't need to skip wash day because my hair gets tangled. Also on the puff, my hair gets tangled, and y'all know I didn't got this thing down packed where tangling is not an issue on wash day anymore. I don't have a favorite deep conditioner yet. Also, I'm still like trying deep conditioners. I did like the TGIN deep conditioner. That worked good. I told you I don't really like Cantu products, but I did like their the Rasul Clay deep conditioner, but none of the deep conditioners said you need to stay with me, like I need to keep you and buy you again. So I'm like still switching up on deep conditioners. Oh, but actually if you're having like problems with like dryness, you think your hair might need protein, or you're not sure, and you don't want to do like an actual like protein treatment because you like a little nervous about it, I don't usually use Shea Moisture products, but this line did work for me. It's the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment with Mafora and baobab oils. It says to strengthen and protect extremely dry and brittle hair. I did like this line. I didn't really care for the conditioner. The conditioner was it didn't give me enough slip to detangle, and I love products that give me a lot of slip. Their shampoo is really good. The shampoo was actually more moisturizing than the conditioner and had more slip than the conditioner. Really weird, but it's true. And this had a lot of slip, and I like the way it made my hair feel too. And I used this for probably like 4 wash days back to back, like, so for like a whole month I used this, and this is what I use to bring my hair back to life and start, you know, keep getting moisture and keeping moisture. I haven't used it in a while, but this deep conditioner did work. So yes, I did want to say that if you need protein. Now if you're protein sensitive, I would probably stay away from it, but my hair likes protein, I learned. To the good stuff, chat. Okay, so I have found my favorite leave-in. Well, I have 2 favorite leave-ins right now. Okay, so the first one is Uza Jamaican black castor oil infused with coconut oil. It says repair cream, leave-in conditioner. It moisturizes and strengthens your hair, and it's fortified with Jamaican black castor oil, coconut oil, aloe vera juice, and argan oil. You can buy this from Roses if you have a Roses in whatever state you live. Definitely if you live in Richmond, child, go get this, try it out. Yeah, I really like this deep conditioner. I really like this leave-in conditioner. It's one of my favorites. It was my first favorite that I found until I did a review on Discover Trey Love. And I really like this. It's called Untie the Knot. And it says nourishing leave-in conditioner. Detangles, nourishes, replenishes moisture for lively curls. And I really love this leave-in conditioner. It made my hair feel like velvety. Like velvety. And that's actually the same thing that other leave-in conditioner did when I first used it, and that's when I decided that okay, I like this one too. So like I was saying, I really like this leave-in. Don't care for the smell. It smells like what, first of all, sis, if you've been a part of the family already, you already seen me do a review on this product. So you know that I said it smells like garden, like, I don't know if you guys have been to a Garden Ridge, but it smells like potpourri. How Garden Ridge smell you go in, like all that potpourri smell. That's what this smells like, but I promise you it works, and the smell kind of like dies off anyway. Okay, so to my favorite stylers. The first one I'm gonna go with is the first one that I found to be my favorite. This is the Miel Organics, the pomegranate and honey line for type 4 hair, sis. The twist and souffle. This stuff gives my hair so much definition. Cause y'all know how I do my twist outs. Like I define my twist out and my braid outs. I define the curls first, and then I twist it up. As if I'm basically like I'm doing wash and go just with no gel or whatever. But anyway, because I find that separates better, but y'all already know that. But this stuff gives my hair so much definition. This was the first thing that I used where I was like, wow, this twist out is popping. So and I like using this with the first leave-in I showed y'all, the Kuza Naturals ones. These two work really good together, and yeah, I really like these two together. Okay, so my new, I love it. It's almost gone, and I'm so sad. It has like, I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, it's almost gone. I'm so sad because it really cuts down on wash day, like when I'm styling, because it's called the 4-in-1 hydrating cream. This is what I was talking about in the last video. So basically, like, it has oils already in it, and they infuse it with the oil so you won't have to put oil on your hair. And at first I was like, I don't know about that because I'm used to using oil. I did spray it with my aloe juice after though to seal in the moisture, but I really like this. It gives my hair a lot of definition too, but it keeps my hair really moisturized. It doesn't have as much definition as the Miel one, but this one keeps my hair really moisturized, and I don't have to use the oil with it. All I got to do is put this on, and I use the other leave-in, the Untie the Knot leave-in with this, plus they're from the same line, but I use that with this, and then all I have to do is spray my hair with the aloe juice after, and then I'm twisting it up, taking it out, and it's popping. So yeah, those are my favorites. So now for my oils that I really like. I can't show y'all the oils because I haven't been using oils, and I ran out of all my favorite oils anyway. But I get them all from Walmart. Well, I get the natural oils from Walmart, like the ones that's like I can use for my hair, but you can cook with too. Grapeseed oil, I get this from Walmart in the cooking section, and avocado oil that I also get from Walmart in the cooking section. And I think that the grapeseed oil start with a P, Pomaparian, I don't know. The avocado oil was by Great Value. I like both of those. And then the Miel Organics, I think it's the almond and peppermint oil. Not too sure because I ran out of that one too, but I did really like that for my scalp and to take my twists out. I didn't really use it to like actually like steal my hair because the smell is so pepperminty. I'm not really like a essential oils in my hair type kind of girl, but yeah. Last but not least, let me show you guys the aloe juice that I use. I'm back. Okay, so if you are ever watching my videos and you see the red spray bottle, this is what is in it. I mean, I always list what I'm using anyway. I get this from Walmart. I think it costs like $5, not too, $5 or $6, but look how big it is. So I feel like it's worth it, and I've had it for about, I think I had it since like November or December, and it is June, and it doesn't go bad until August 2020. So yeah, I still have this for a while, so it's worth it. It's very heavy, and the back of our refrigerator get really cold, so it got big ice in it, so I hope that doesn't ruin it. But anyway, so that's that one. This video, those are all of my favorites, and I hope you guys enjoy. So those are all my favorites, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys try some of these products out, and I hope they work as good for you as they did for me, because some of these products have really changed my natural hair life. My friends will tell you I was well, if you guys watched the first videos when I first started posting again, I was telling you guys that I have been trying to figure out like how to keep my hair moisturized. Well, listen sis, I figured it out now, and I need to just stick with my regimen, and I'm gonna be good, because yeah. So like I said, this I used another leave-in, and it didn't do so hot. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to also subscribe to my other channel, CBandJPENT, if you want a more like intimate look into my life. But other than that, that's it. Oh, it's about to storm.
Yeah. Ooh, shine bright like diamond. Ain't nobody. You'll always be mine, singing it to the world.
I'll always be your boy,
and I'll always be your girl.
It ain't nobody's business.